When it comes to finding the perfect seating solution that combines comfort, style, and functionality, the search can often feel overwhelming. However, the swivel stool with wheels and a chic round design covered in PU leather might just be the answer to all your needs. This piece of furniture, designed with a modern aesthetic in mind, offers more than just a place to sit. Its features are thoughtfully crafted to cater to a wide range of settings, from office spaces and homes to spas, bars, and salons. Starting with the seat, the manufacturer promises a thicker, softer cushioning that stands out from the competition. It's not just about the comfort it provides immediately upon sitting, but also about the sustained comfort during long periods of use. This is crucial for professionals who spend hours on their stools or for anyone using this stool at home for extended activities like gaming or crafting. The PU leather covering is not just a touch of elegance but a practical choice for easy cleaning and maintenance, ensuring the stool remains hygienic and appealing over time. The height adjustability feature of this stool, ranging from 19.6 inch to 26, accommodates a diverse user base. Whether it's for a child needing a seat at a study table or an adult at a salon, the ability to adjust the height means this stool can meet various requirements, making it a versatile addition to any space. Mobility is another key aspect where this stool shines. Equipped with 5 sturdy wheels, it promises smooth movement across all surface types without marking the floor. This mobility is not just about moving from point A to B, it's about fostering a dynamic and flexible environment whether at work or play. Speaking of work, the stool's robust build supports a maximum load-bearing capacity of 250 pounds. This strength, combined with its easy assembly, marks it as a practical and reliable choice for both personal and professional environments. Finally, the stool's dimensions and design details, like its modern style and the choice of a clean white color, ensure it can seamlessly integrate into any decor without being obtrusive. The metal frame provides a stable base, while Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.